Bear and buck here are really excited because federal protections for their closest ancestor have been finally restored. Yeah. Gray wolves are now protected again in the lower 48, except for some reason Yellowstone. So we gotta work on that, don't we, guys? We gotta work on that, Bear? We do? You guys are 99% wolf DNA, and so are all dogs? Yes, that's right. Yes. Genetically speaking, domestic dogs are unbelievably closely related. That was a word. Related to the gray wolf. So, wolves. So we're very, very happy, but more still needs to be done to restore wolves. Here in New England, we do not have our wolves restored at all. I mean, and actually in the entire lower 48, they've never been restored since European colonization. The original numbers would be in the hundreds of thousands across the continent. So a lot of work to be done to put our wolves back where they belong and get our ecosystems healthy again, with chronic wasting disease and all sorts of problems with our moose numbers and the disappearance of caribou here in the northeast United States. We need our wolves back. We need to put everything back the way it's supposed to be so we can have healthy farms and healthy forests. Everything functioning as it should.